If the black stains are around the nail heads, you probably have an iron problem. Iron fasteners that you're using in the fence can react with the natural chemicals in the wood to form a black stain. The good news here is that you can use oxalic acid to get rid of it. Look for it in the ingredients list in most deck cleaners. But be careful when applying it, since oxalic acid is corrosive and harmful to plants, and definitely shouldn't be used around the water, like on your dock, say. Another culprit could be something called black stain fungi. The good news, this will not impact the strength of your fence. But the stains aren't pretty, which is why I assume you're asking this question in the first place. An easy solution, simply paint the fence. If you don't want to do that, you can use plain old water and a pressure washer to get it off. Use the lowest setting so that you don't damage the fence. The fungus is probably just on the surface of the wood, so this might be a good opportunity to break out your power sander. You can resurface the fence and it will look as good as new. Lastly, and hopefully this is not the case, you might be seeing the early signs of decay in your fence. Black stain won't turn the wood soft, decay will. If this is what's happening with you, it's probably time to replace your fence.